Sony ILX LR1 Setup. Inserting SD card. Insert SD card into the Sony ILX LR1 prior to flight. WISPR ground control setup with the Sony ILX LR1. Power on drone with payload attached. Open WISPR ground control. Click the W. Then click Settings. Select Payload. Select Sony ILX LR1 with the lens used on your ILX LR1 payload. Reboot drone to set payload settings. Enable RTK if required for mission. Select geotagging preference. This ensures that geotag is in the format for the processing software of your preference. In-flight camera controls. Click Camera Settings to drop-down options. Click to change shutter speed. Click to change ISO. Click to change exposure. Click to capture geotagged image. Flip to switch into video mode. Click to start video recording. Click to stop video recording. Click to autofocus. Thank you for watching.